Hello guys, today's topic is letter. Write a letter to your friend inviting him to spend few days with you. On right hand side, write your address and date. My dear, write your friend name here. I received your letter yesterday. I am glad to learn that you have done your paper well and that you are sure to get a first division. Now you must be feeling free and relieved from all the cares and worries of examination. I think this is an appropriate time to renew my standing invitation to you to spend your vacation here with us. I'm sure your visit to this hill station will do you immense good. The charming scenery of the hills and the delightful walks in the parks will refresh you. I have also invited Mohan, your another friend named, to spend his vacation here. We shall spend some days in our apple orchard. Nowadays, the trees are full of beautiful flowers before apples to grow. We shall go together for trekking and enjoy the beauties of nature. I am quite sure you will enjoy your stay here. Please let me know when you are reaching here. I hope you will not disappoint me. Hoping to hear from you soon. In left hand side, I am your most sincerely. Write your name. Thank you.